The team that invented DFlash has just released their own official drafter model. Not a third party port, not a community experiment, ZLab themselves. And they picked one of the most interesting model to pair it with. So we have been covering this DFlash for a few weeks now on this channel. We ran it locally on consumer GPUs, we covered the Google TPU port, and we ran the Red Hat speculator for Gemma for 31 billion. But today is a bit different, as you can see. The actual creator of this DFlash, ZLab at UC San Diego, have released their own official draft model for Gemma for 26 billion A4B, and the model they chose to pair it with is interesting for a very specific reason. We are going to install this model locally and we are going to test it out, especially in terms of token per second and the speed and other statistics which we have been testing out. Now this Gemma for 26 billion A4B is a mixture of expert model. It has around 26 billion parameters in total, but only 4 billion of them activate for any given token. That means it runs at roughly the speed of a 4 billion model while having the knowledge and reasoning capability of something much larger. It is from Google, one of the most efficient word. Now pair that with DFlash speculative decoding on top and the numbers get very interesting. I'm not going to go into the benchmarks because you know what, I really always like to test it by ourselves. So let's get right into it. And before that, if you are that unsuspecting viewer who has just heard about this DFlash, I would suggest two things. First, go to my channel, watch the second video and then rest of the lot around DFlash and you will be really impressed, I can assure you. Secondly, let me give you a very quick overview of DFlash. This is their own diagram, but I would prefer to go with this, our own diagram, which simplifies it a bit more for us mere mortals who don't have PhD in machine learning. So quick reminder of what DFlash actually does, since we have new viewers joining every day. Normal inference generates one token at a time. Every single word requires a full trip through the entire model. DFlash brings in a teeny draft model that looks at the hidden states inside the big model and proposes an entire block of tokens at the same time in one forward pass. The big model then verifies all of them at once, same output quality, dramatically more tokens per second. The keyword here is block diffusion. All draft tokens proposed in parallel, not sequentially like standard speculative decoding. So that is the whole situation here. Let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu. I have one GPU card NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. The tool which I'm going to use in order to check out this model is VLLM. If you don't know what VLLM is, just go to my channel, watch this VLLM video and you will be able to install it fairly quickly. You would just have to install it from the branch at the moment, but it will be soon merged into the main VLLM. Also, if you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. So let me now serve this model. First time when you run this command with VLLM, it is going to download the model. Now I will run it and then as it runs and loads the model, I will also explain what this command is doing. So as it does its magic, let me go through this command very quickly. So as you can see, the command starts the VLLM server with two models working together. Gemma for 26 billion A4B is a main model that produces the final answer, and the ZLab's DFlash drafter sits alongside its proposing 15 tokens per step for the big model to verify in one shot. The attention backend is set to Triton. For the main model, Triton is NVIDIA's open source GPU programming language that lets you write highly optimized CUDA kernels without writing raw code. Now, allow me to show you one thing very quickly on the channel. Just go there, search with Triton, and we have actually covered it in great detail where you can see I showed you how to deploy and serve multiple AI models on Kubernetes cluster, and please watch this video. I'm sure you are going to love it because Triton, I don't think so it is that much known there apart from big AI labs. I digress. Let's go back. So VLLM uses Triton for fast attention computation. The draft model uses flash attention, which is a separate memory efficient attention algorithm optimized specifically for the smaller drafter forward pass. And yes, you guessed it, we also have covered it separately on the channel. Then you can see that we have max bashed tokens of around 32k that controls how many tokens VLLM processes in a single forward pass across all requests combined. So that is what this command is doing. And by the way, for some weird reason, this is a gated model, so you would have to go to Hugging Face and then just accept the terms and condition, and then you will be granted the access. The great thing is that it is Apache 2, which is always a good idea. Okay, let's wait for this model to get served and we will test it out. Okay, so the model is being served. Now let's test this out. So you can see that we are sending a complex drone swarm animation prompt to our Gemma model running with DFlash speculative decoding. And the purpose of this is to measure how fast it generates a full HTML file. The output is a complete working animation saved directly to the disk so that we can open in the browser. But again, remember, the purpose is not to test the capabilities of the model, but to see if DFlash improves it or not, and whatever we discussed in our diagram. So let me take you to my terminal, and then we are just going to run this to see what happens. And there you go, the model has come back with the response, as you can see. So what you just saw in that output is a how DFlash delivers when it is fully running and doing that simulation, which I will show you shortly, which it has saved in this index.html file. But more importantly, look at these numbers here. So all these tokens generated in just 18 seconds at 222.3 tokens per second, mean acceptance length of around 7.8, which means in simple words that the draft model correctly guessed nearly 8 tokens per step on average before the big model needed to step in. That is 3.4 times speed up over autoregressive, which is consistent with what ZLab published in their benchmarks. Slightly lower, but I think this might, this is going to go and improve. Let me quickly show you that index.html file. There you go. And this is the swarm of agents. It is not responsive, but that is fine. Other than that, I think it is not bad at all. Stats are there, and you see they are coming back to their swarm. Not bad. Simple enough. Not that, earth shattering, but still, I think pretty good stuff they have done here. So look, that is where we are with DFlash right now. We have been covering it a lot. The algorithm seems to be working, the numbers are real, and the ecosystem is moving extremely fast. We got it running on this hardware also in the previous videos with the loose implementation, and we got the Red Hat speculator for it too. And today we pushed the very cutting edge with ZLab's own official drafter, which you just saw. They also have another variant on their Hugging Face card if you are interested. So look, I think pretty good in terms of VLLM support. They also have a SGLang implementation if you are more inclined towards that. Let me know what do you think. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.